Right behind me we have my beautiful 440, and I've been wanting to do this for a little while now, but today we're gonna be changing the intake. So at the moment we have a CTS turbo intake that I've been having on. As you guys can see, it's kind of rusty, it's kind of dirty. We've had this intake on the car for, I want to say, about 4 years, and right here in this box we have a brand new intake, and it's a MST intake. So huge shout out to Keys for sending that out to me. I'm gonna have the link to the in the description if you guys are interested in getting it for yourself. But today we're gonna be replacing the one that I have because for some reason it gives me an engine light. So let's see if the new intake takes that away. Go down below and you see that you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, because your boy Sticks is back on YouTube and we're gonna come back and make more videos for you guys. So with that being said though, let's go ahead and knock off this new intake. Before I go ahead and install the new one, I don't know how much different this one is gonna sound, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car on, give it a couple revs, see what it sounds like, see if you guys can even hear it, and then we're gonna throw on the new intake and do the same thing and see how that sounds. All right, and let's go ahead and start disassembling this old intake and throw on the new one. Let's do it. Removing the intake is actually pretty simple. I went ahead and put like a little rag right here just in case I don't want anything falling in there. So now the only thing I got left is taking this off, and then we're gonna go ahead and start installing the new one. And then right here we have everything that comes with the hardware, or everything that comes with the intake. So we have, this is like a plate for the intake, another plate for the intake. You put the intake through there, it kind of secures it in place. We have some more hardware stuff here, some more hardware stuff here. They also give you also a air freshener, which is nice because my car kind of needs it. You also get a little keychain thingy. We also have a sticker which you guys can't really see, and then we have the screws, the set screws that you will use for the install. It's not very difficult, very simple install. And let's go ahead and try to throw it on, see how it goes. Alright, so I was fitting this plate here, and I think this is supposed to be way lower, so I think I might have put this on wrong. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and try it the other way, because for some reason this is not fitting. So what I'm thinking is that I put this the wrong way. So let me go ahead and flip it, but it looks like it's right. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it and see what it looks like. And with that, the intake is now installed. The only thing I'm missing is the cover that I'm gonna put on after I show you guys what it sounds like. I actually gotta clear out some codes before I do this, but other than that, the intake is now installed and it's looking good. Now let's see what it sounds like. Let me go ahead and clear some codes first, and then we can go from there. Ever since I changed my seat, I got a billion codes, but I haven't got around to clear them. So we're gonna go ahead and system scan the car now. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's starting to rain a little bit. But at least we did finish the intake. I wanted to continue working in the inside part of my car, like the seats and stuff, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to with this rain. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much. I know it was gonna rain today. I didn't know it was gonna rain right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clear these codes and then give you guys a little start. Actually, my boy just pulled up in the freaking M6. Look at that thing. The thing is loud. Oof. Fire. Fire. So the new intake is in. We're gonna have my boy rev it really quick to see if it sounds any different. Go ahead, bro. I don't know. You guys let me know down below which one sounds louder. I can't really tell. I feel like I've had an intake for a while now, but I am excited about this intake. Like I said, make sure you check the link down below if you guys are interested in getting it for yourself. But with that being said, man, I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.